Guitar tabs are very popular because it is fairly easy to learn how to read guitar tabs and to be able to use them to play songs. The trick is the guitar tab isn't actually just 6 lines that mimic the guitar strings. So it's these strings on the guitar, but it's backwards. The thick string is on the bottom, and that's the key. The bottom line on the guitar tab is actually this thick note right here. So there are 6 lines. There are numbers on the lines. The numbers indicate the frets. So if I had line 6 and I said fret number 3, I put my finger on 1, 2, 3, fret number 3. That's line 6. Fret 2, the number 2 would indicate fret 2, fret 1, and 0 indicates an open string. In reverse, the first string, the high string, is actually here on the bottom of the guitar, but it's the top on the guitar tab. 3 would mean 3rd fret right here, 2 right here, 1 right here, and open. So the best way to learn is to start with very simple tunes and read the guitar tab and practice it on your guitar, and little by little move up to more complex tunes. You'll find it fairly easy at first, but you'll get faster and faster at it as you practice.